Welcome to RoboBrief, your daily download on robots and AI. Today we're going full autonomy, a new robotaxi alliance, delivery drones scaling up, and Tesla's humanoid hitting the line. Let's dive in. First up, the robotaxi race just got a new heavyweight team. Nuro-Uber and Lucid have unveiled a production intent robotaxi built on Lucid's Gravity SUV. The split is clever. Nuro supplies the self-driving brains and sensors, Lucid bakes the autonomy into the vehicle on the line, and Uber owns and operates the fleet. The ambition is huge. Tens of thousands of robotaxis across the US, starting in San Francisco later this year. Nuro just secured the first of several permits it needs and says it wants a genuinely useful service from day one. Not a slow crawl. Story 2, the skies are getting busy. Amazon's Prime Air is scaling up with its new MK30 drone, quieter, lighter, and cleared to fly farther. Amazon just pushed into fresh markets, including the Houston area and Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and it's in talks to bring drone delivery to Metro Atlanta. CEO Andy Jassy says Prime Air finally has a design that scales, aiming to serve 30 million customers by year's end and deliver 500 million packages by the end of the decade. Drone delivery has quietly gone from sci-fi to real infrastructure. And finally, Tesla's humanoid is getting real. Optimus Gen 3 is moving from prototype to production line. Tesla wound down Model S and Model X output at part of its Fremont factory and is converting that line to build Optimus, a plant designed for up to 1 million robots a year, with the changeover targeted to wrap by late summer. A fresh clip this week showed Optimus calmly handing water bottles to people, hinting at smoother, more capable hands. Mass production is the next mountain, and Tesla says it's coming. That's your RoboBrief for today. For the full stories, head to robobrief.tech and hit subscribe so you never miss a briefing. See you tomorrow.